Hello friends, today we will discuss about Venn diagram. Let's see the concept of Venn diagrams. See, first we will see what is A union B. What is A union B is, what is A? This is full part of A. And B will be again this thing fully. And you know what is A union B. So therefore these two combined all together will be A union B. Now we will see what is A intersection B. That is, what are the common things between A and B? This part is called A intersection B. Now there is one more concept called A minus B. That means whole A, you have to subtract the terms of B which is common in A. That means only this part is A. Only this part. The yellow part is A minus B. And what is B minus A? From B you have to subtract the thing which is A. So this is B minus A. You understood? See, A minus B and A intersection B and B minus A has nothing in common. Therefore, all these sets are disjoint sets. Therefore, intersection of these things will give me a null set. Next, let us see if it is A, if this is called A, what is A dash? A dash means universal minus A. Basically, this whole set is A and this is whole set is A and the whole set in outside this A is U. So this part which is not A is called A dash. It is called A complement as well. Now let us see what is A union B whole dash. See, I told you this will be A union B. See, now the thing what you want to do is A union B whole dash will be U minus A union B. So therefore this part is called A union B whole dash. Understood? Now let us see some basic problems. Let us see some formula. This formula, n of A union B is equals to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B when there are given two elements. When there are three sets, n of A union B union C will be n of A plus n of B plus n of C minus the intersection of A intersection B minus n of B intersection B and this part. And these two formulas are called De Morgan's law. N of A union B whole dash is equal to A dash intersection B dash and A intersection B whole dash is equals to A dash union B dash. Now we will see the problems, and I won't be solving these problems to formula, rather I will be using Venn diagram so that the approach is very easy. Let us see. In a school there are 20 teachers who teach mathematics or physics. That means A union M union P is equals to 20. Of these, 12 teach mathematics. See, 12 teach mathematics. This whole set of 12 of mathematics includes 12. And 4 teach both physics and mathematics. That means the common intersection part, this part is 4. That means teachers who teach only mathematics will be 12 minus 4. So therefore, 8 teachers teach only mathematics, 4 teachers teach both mathematics and physics, and now you want to know how many teachers teach physics. That includes this part plus those teachers who teach physics and mathematics. Let's first find out the teachers who teach only physics. Only physics will be 8 plus 4 plus only physics should give me total 20. So what is P? 20 minus 12. So this is 8. These are the number of students who teach only physics. But what have they asked? How many teachers teach physics? So therefore 8 teachers who teach only physics plus 4 teachers who teach both maths and physics. Therefore our answer will be 8 plus 4, 12. 12 is the number answer. Let's see the next question. In a survey of 400 students in a school, 100 were listed as taking apple juice. That means total A is apple, 100. 150 are as taking orange juice. So the total O will be 150. And 75 were listed as taking both apple and orange juice. That means this part is 75. If this part is 75, students who are taking only orange juice will be 150 students who have taken total orange juice, and this includes some apple juice also. So taking only apple juice will be 75. 150 minus 75. This is 75. And students who are taking only apple juice will be 100 minus 75. So therefore it is 25. Now what is the question they ask? Find out how many students who have taken neither apple nor orange juice. That means totally there are students who got only apple juice is 25, plus students who got both the juice is 75, and students who got orange juice, only orange juice is 75. So this adds up to 175. But what is the question? They are asking how many students have got neither apple nor orange juice. So there were 200, 400 students minus 175 students got at least one of the juice. So therefore 225 students didn't get any of the juice. 225 is your answer. Next, let us next see the next question. See, now they are saying there are 200 individuals with a skin disorder. 120 are exposed to C1, 50 are exposed to C2, 30 are exposed to both C1 and C2. First you have to write down the intersection part. 30 are exposed to both C1 and C2. 50 are exposed to C2, that means it includes whole C2. Now we want to find out only C2. So what do you have to do? 50 minus, who got both C1 and C2, so therefore it is 20. So this will be 20. And I've said 20 have got exposed to C1, that means whole C1 is 120. So therefore only C1 will be 90. So what is the first question? Chemical C1 but not C2, that is what they are asking, only this part. So therefore this is 90. Chemical C2 but not C1, that means only C2, that is 20. C1 or C2, that means 90 plus 20 plus 30. So therefore what is the answer? 140 will be your answer. Now next is see the NDA questions. This is a 2019 question. Let us see the question. Instead of taking 2 sets, they are given 3 sets here. In a class of 54 students, are good in Hindi only. That means only this part. This doesn't include the intersection part. 63 are good in only mathematics. 63 are good in only mathematics. And there are 18 students who are good in both Hindi and mathematics. 18 students who are good in both Hindi and mathematics. 41 students are good in only English only. So this includes 41. So they are saying 18 students are good in both Hindi and mathematics. See, this is full Hindi, this part. This part is full Hindi. And this part is full mathematics. And they are saying 18 students are good in both Hindi and maths. That means this part, total part is 18. This total part is 18. And 10 students are good in all the 3 subjects. That means this is the intersection of all the 3. This part, this is 18. And in this, this is 10. This is 10. 10 are good in all the 3 subjects. That means Hindi, mathematics and English. And total Hindi and mathematics includes 18. So therefore this part includes 18. And only this part includes 10. Therefore this part is 8. What is the question? What is the number of students who are good in either Hindi or maths but not in English? Either Hindi or maths but not in English. That means this part and this part, but it shouldn't include the C part. So therefore you have to strike down all this part. This part should be struck out, all this. So therefore it will be 58, they are good in only Hindi, plus 63, they are good in only maths, plus 8 students who are good in both Hindi and maths but not English. So therefore your answer is 125. 125 students is your answer. Let us see the next question. What is the number of students who are good in Hindi and maths but not in English? Who are good in Hindi and maths but not in English. They are basically asking this part, but you have to strike down this part. So therefore this is 8. 8 is your answer. Now let us see the next question. In a survey of 25 students, it was found that 15 had taken mathematics, 12 had taken physics, 11 had taken chemistry, 5 had taken maths and chemistry, 9 had taken mathematics and physics, 4 had taken physics and chemistry, and 3 had taken all 3 subjects. First write down the intersection part of all 3. So 3 had taken all 3. Now see the intersection of 2 subjects. 11 had taken chemistry. 5 had taken maths and chemistry. So this is 5 had taken maths and chemistry. That includes this part fully. But I want only maths and chemistry part. So therefore 5 had taken all maths and chemistry. But it includes those students who have taken even physics also. So therefore 5 minus 3 will be 2. Now again in the same way, students who have taken 4 students who have taken physics and chemistry. That might include the students who have taken maths as well. So therefore 4 minus 3, 1. Who have taken only physics and chemistry. Now I want students who have taken only physics and mathematics. So therefore that will be 9. 9 students have taken both physics and mathematics, but that includes the whole of this thing, but I want only physics and maths, so this will be 6. 9 minus 3 is 6. Now let us see students who have taken only physics. 12 students had taken physics. Total physics was 12, but that includes physics and chemistry, 1, 3 as all 3, and 6 as physics and maths. So what do I do is this 12 minus to find out only physics. 1 minus 3 minus 6, which will give me as 2. So this is 2. In the same way, only chemistry will be 5, only maths will be 4. Now what is the question? The number of students who have taken only physics. Only physics is how much? 2 is your answer. Number of students who have taken only 2 subjects is only 2 subjects. See, this one has taken only physics and chemistry, 6 has taken physics and maths, 2 has taken chemistry and physics. So therefore 6 plus 2 plus 1 is your answer, 9. So 9 is your answer. Now let us see. Number of students who have taken only one subject. Only one. Only one subject is how many? 2 students plus 5 students plus 4 students. So what is the answer? It is 11. Is equal to number of students who have taken only 2 subjects. Only 2 subjects, we just now found out it is 9. So therefore it is not equal. The first option is wrong. Let us see the next option. The number of students who have taken at least 2 subjects. That means it includes number of students who have taken 2 subjects plus number of students who have taken 3 subjects. So therefore it is 6 plus 2 plus 1 plus number of students taken, so all the 3. So therefore it is 9, 12 students. Is 4 times the number of students who have taken all 3 subjects. All 3 subjects is 3, and they are saying the number of taken at least 2 subjects is 12. So therefore it is 4 times this. 4 times this subject we have taken all the 3. So therefore this is right, and only 2 is your answer. Now let us see the next question. In an examination, 70 students passed in physics. 70 students passed. That means 30 students would have failed in physics, and 80 students passed. 80% of the students passed in chemistry. That means 20% would have failed. 75 students passed in mathematics. That means again 25% would have failed. And in biology, 85% passed. That means 15% have failed. They are asking X% of students who have failed in all the 4 subjects. That means he should fail in physics, chemistry, maths and biology. So therefore the least number which is possible to fail in all this is 15. So 15% of the students would have failed in all. So therefore your answer is 15. And let us see the next question. This question is homework, and comment the answers in your comment section. Thank you.